Hello everyone, my name is Diane Sofia Espinosa Gonzalez and this is my presentation about my professional experience with data science. So let's begin with the profession and current job. I'm an industrial microbiologist with solid experience in microbiological quality control in different industries like pharmacy, food, or biotechnological industries with a deep knowledge of good manufacturing practices or GMP. I'm currently working as a quality analyst in Alimentos Polar, Colombia. This is a company that has been in the pre-cooked flour and oatmeal market, such as a Quaker, for 85 years. So my current responsibilities is verify production parameters and operating conditions in the plant, is conduct different physical chemical analysis of raw materials in processed product or and finished products, and of course to validate that the products meets quality specifications. So let's begin with data science. So the definition of that is a discipline that is employed various tools or technique of analyzing data information enable companies to make informed decisions. So this is the ability to easily visualize that allows to us to identify patterns that are hiding or have not yet been revealed in our production process so we can understand what to do with this data. So it's basically to understand the data behavior. So we talk about the components of data science. So the first one, it was data. It was data. Data forms the foundation of analysis. So includes structure and unstructured data from maybe sensors, the different production systems, or historical records. The second one is analytical models and methods. These are used to identify these patterns, make the precisions, and generate insight from this data. The third one is the technology infrastructure. Includes systems such as storage, processing, and analytical tools. So this is necessary to handle large volume of data. The fourth one is basically the workflow. So this is the workflow that is extends from this data collection to its interpretations and applications to make decisions and make the right decisions. Another one is domain knowledge and context. This is essential to understand the environmental with working and in which is data is applied. So in my case, like a food quality and safety, it's so important to try to understand what is the correctly interpreted of these results that the different process that we have in the plant. And the last one is the knowledge management and semantics. So this is a essential point because it's related with the industry 4.0, not only the use of this data, but also the experiences, the rules, and the different contexts that you're trying to improve and making the decision. So, what is data science considered in emergency disciplines? Is because it is a considered an emergency field because it's still in the process of developing and constantly evolving both in terms or maybe different methods and application. So it is grow has accelerated due to rise of, in this case, big data, technologies such as artificial intelligence and cloud computing, and the business needs to make a data-driven decision. So I want to talk about some examples. So the first one is the healthcare. In this case, you can use this data analyze to define patterns, maybe in the different disease and save the life. Another one is industrial manufacturing, so implemented intelligent systems to optimize this process. And another one, like a commerce and retail, this is basically related with the demands forecasting to optimize inventory and reduce losses and or clients. And another one that is my case, food industry. So analyze with when data analyze to detect deviations and analyze, for example, microbiological results or maybe an production data to detect the deviation, prevent some contaminations, and improve batch release times. So how has data science contributed to my field of works? In my case, is basically to reduce batch release times by 20 or 40% through data automatizations. Another one is cut rewards and waste by 10 on 25% by detecting defects early. And of course, to improve regulatory compliance with digital traceability, and the last one, optimize cleaning process by maybe, for example, analyzing microbiological trends or the physical results that we have in different process. So it's important for that. And about the conclusion related with all this topic, it's important to recall that data science enables to shift from a reactive approach to a predictive and strategic one, which is a key to improving quality, reducing cost, and optimize production. And I want to relate it with the CRISP ML because this is allowed to you structure this entire process. So that is not only works but also remains effective and improves over time. So all these articles and all the information about that shows that data science is not just about analyzing data, but is how you can integrate data with the technology, with knowledge, with different processed like a crisp ml, because this is a really good methodology to brings all of these different elements together to generate a real value in the industry and the different industry in general. So this is the reference that I take the information. So thank you for your attention.